Hey viewers, welcome to Uflyer, your one-stop channel for all kinds of IELTS material and general English. Today we are going to discuss about some proven tips and tricks on the reading module. For those who are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel so that you never miss an update. So, without any further delay, let's get started. In the IELTS reading module, you need to answer 40 questions from 3 passages which altogether consist of approximately 2,600 words. Hence, managing time and answering those questions correctly becomes a serious issue. So, how to improve overall reading score? This is the question that can make you feel worried. So, here comes the solution which you all should abide. There are a few steps to follow and few things to keep in mind before you appear for the test. Number 1. Practice reading. In the limited time, reading all the passages can be difficult. So, fast reading is one of the key factors here that can help you to read all the passages within time. Number 2. Enhance your stock of words. While practicing reading, write all the unknown words in a notebook and learn ways to implement them. It will boost your vocabulary range, which can be useful for other modules also. Number 3. Use a highlighter. Always use a pen or highlighter to mark the keywords while reading. Make a habit of it. By this, you don't have to search for your answers again and again. Number 4. Skim and scan the passages. Practice skimming and scanning can save you time in finding the answers from the passage. Do it from the very first day of your practice. A detailed video has already been uploaded on our channel. Link is provided in the description section. Go and check it out. Number 5. Different questions need different strategies. Almost 14 types of questions come in the reading test. Few of them come in order, and most of them are not. So, you need to make different strategies to answer these questions. Number 6. Grammar. Keep in mind that there are some questions such as summary completion and sentence completion that needs to be grammatically correct. Number 7. Practice slowly. You don't need to complete all your questions within the 60 minutes just like an exam from the very first day of your practice. Take your time and try to answer all the questions correctly and check how much time you need to do so. Number 8. Improve your time management. After being sanguine about your skill of writing correct answers, try to manage your time so that you can make it within an hour with accuracy. Key points to be kept in mind while solving the reading section. Point number 1. Time is the most crucial factor. You should invest 12 to 15 minutes for reading and highlighting each passage and 3 to 4 minutes to write the answers. Second point. Read the instructions and questions carefully. Reading questions first will help you to find the answers fast. It will help you to answer accurately. Thirdly, write gist. Write a gist for each para which contains the questions like matching heading, matching information, and summary completion. The fourth point is, you should not panic. Try to keep your nerves under control in the exam hall. Losing confidence means losing marks. So, be confident. Finally, attempt all the questions. If you feel that your few answers may not be correct, do not leave them blank. Fill all your answers as there is no negative marking in IELTS, so don't worry. Take a chance, those answers may turn out to be correct also. How to approach reading module? To get a band 7 or more, you should aim to make more than 30 questions correct, though it varies slightly for academics and general tests. As the questions get more and more difficult with each passage, you should aim in getting the first questions all correct. Hope these tips were helpful and would help you in scoring better in the reading module. Please like, Share and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing more informative content. Thank you for watching.